the classification of the Nemathi-Helminthes. The classification of the Nemathi-Helminthes. The Nemathi-Helminthes are classified into the 4 classes by the Hyman. The Hyman is completely classified into 4 classes. But the Nemathi-Helminthes are separated into particular phylum by Gegenbaur. Nemathi-Helminthes and Platyhelminthes are separated by the Hyman. But the Nemathi-Helminthes and Platyhelminthes are both are separated when they classified by the Hyman. Very, very important. The classification of the Nemathi-Helminthes are ASCII-Helminthes. The ASCII-Helminthes are classified by very, very important scientist is Hyman scientist in 1951. What is that? Gegenbaur. The classification in 1851. Sorry, 1859. Clear? So these are classified into how many classes? 4 classes are there. First one is, note down everyone. First one is Nematoda. Second one is Nematomorpha. Nematomorpha. Third one is Rotifera. Fourth one is Gastrotricha. Nematoda, Nematomorpha, Rotifera and Gastrotricha. These are 4 classes are there. In this, Nematoda can be classified into 2 subclasses. This is a class. There is a, how many Nematoda containing 2 subclasses? 2 subclasses. What is that? Aphasmidia. Second one is Phasmidia. Aphasmidia and Phasmidia. Now we are discussing first one is Nematoda. Yes. First one, what is the Nematoda? Nematoda nothing but Nema nothing but thread. These are thread worms. Nematoda is nothing but these are thread worms. These are majorly, most of the individuals are aquatic. Major aquatic means fresh and marine water forms. These are thread worms. These are most of the individuals, most of the organisms are aquatic forms. Aquatic means some of the individuals, most of the major individuals are terrestrial. Some of the parasitic in nature. Nothing but most of the organisms are aquatic. In this, majorly terrestrial. Some of the individuals are terrestrial and parasitic in nature. So these are absence of, which one? The nematodes are absence of circular muscle. Note down. Sorry, presence of circular muscle. These are presence of circular, means semicircular, not circular. Semicircular muscles are present. Circular muscles are present. The characters of Nematoda characters today we are discussing. Clear? These are unisexual forms. These are unisexual individual. Which one? Nematodes are unisexual organisms. Okay, so these are shown complete digestive tract. Which one? Presence of complete digestive tract? Nematodes are consistent of complete digestive tract. Starts with mouth and end with anus. So that is known as a complete digestive tracks are appears in the nematoda class. Clear? So very very important. There is absence of which one? The nematodes are absence of circulatory system is absent, excretory and respiratory. These are completely absence of circulatory, excretory and respiratory systems are completely absent, but the excretory systems is primitively developed. Absence of circulatory, and is nothing but respiratory and excretory systems are absent. Circulatory, excretory and respiratory systems are absent, but some individuals are slightly developed, nothing but immature development of the sexual organ. What is that? Excretory organ, like protonephridians are present. Protonephridians are there. Rhabdated forms. Next one, reproduction. These are internal fertilization. Mostly these are shown. Sexual reproduction and internal fertilization. External fertilization. So this is the information about the nematoda. So this nematoda can be classified subclasses into two, Aphasmedia and Phasmedia. Now first one, nematoda threadworms are commonly known as roundworms. So these are aquatic and terrestrial and parasitic in nature. These are presence of circular muscle. With the presence of circular muscles, these are unisexual organism. The complete digestive tract is present. Complete digestive tract means starts with mouth and end with anus. This absence of circulatory, respiratory, muscle and excretory system have primitively developed. Nothing but these are consistent of primary nephridians, nothing but protonephridia. The reproduction is sexual reproduction, completely allowing of sexual reproduction. Note down everyone, in this class only allowing of sexual reproduction, never allowing of asexual reproduction, nothing but asexual reproduction never done. External fertilization is occur. In this class, another important is male is smaller than female. Male is smaller than female individual. Nothing but females are very large in size compared with male. Okay, clear? So these are consistent of which one? These organisms are consistent of what are they? Sensory organs and apex region are eye spots. Phasmids, eye spots are present, and attachment by the suckers and adhesive organs. So this is the information about the nematoda. Next to the class of the Aphasmedia and Phasmedia. Only three characters are there: Aphasmedia and Phasmedia. So Aphasmedia and Phasmedia. So the Aphasmedians are absence of sensory organs are there in the caudal region. The Aphasmids are absence, very important, absence of sensory organs in caudal, nothing but posterior region, caudal region. So the Phasmids are presence of sensory organs in caudal region. Presence of sensory organs in which region? Caudal region. Clear? So these are excretory system is very well developed. Aphasmedia, excretory system is very well developed. Okay, clear? So these are never development of excretory organs. There is a never development of organ. So system also developed. Excretory organs. Okay. What is that? Okay. So next one, the circulation. What is that? Respiration is absence in this phylum, absence in this class, in this subclass. Respiration through the anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration occurs in this subclass. So this is the what is the difference in between of the phasmids and aphasmids? Are you clear? So the sensory organs are absent in this aphasmids. A means absent. Phasmids. What I'm saying? Phasmidia. Phasmidia means sensory organs. Aphasmidia. These are absence of sensory organ. These are presence of sensory organ in the caudal region. And as well as these are presence of adhesive organs. Adhesive organs are present. Nothing but attachment organ. Attachment organs are present in aphasmidia. Attachment organs are present in aphasmidia. Their attachment organs are absent. Attachment nothing but adhesive organs are absent in phasmidia. Phasmidia. The examples of nematoda. The examples of the nematoda is Ascaris lumbricoid, Schistosoma hematobium, Dracunculus medinensis. This is a. I am not giving general characters of the nematoda. I am only explaining the classification of the nematoda. The example is Ascaris lumbricoid, Ascaris lumbricoid, Schistosoma, hematobium, hema means blood, tobium, Dracunculus medinensis. By heart these words, everyone. Ascaris lumbricoid, Dracunculus medinensis, Schistosoma hematobium. So these are the best examples of the nematoda class, not a phylum. Nematoda class. The best examples of the nematoda class is 3, and as well as one of the best example Lova. So next we are discussing about the second class is Nematomorpha. 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 Nemato means thread. Morpha means changes, multiple changes there in this class. That is called Nematomorpha. Nematomorpha, nothing but these are round worms or thread worms. Round worms. Thread worms. Okay. These are undercomes into. These are majorly in aquatic marine water. Marine farms. These are majorly in marine farms. These are sexual. The body is covered by. Very, very important. Body is covered by the cuticle membrane. Body is covered by cuticle membrane. So these are, the body is distinguished to two. What is that? Apex. What is head and body? What is the next one? So the body, head containing one of the sensory organs. Sensory organs are present. Most of the individuals are most of the individuals are carnivorous in nature. Next one. Circulation, same as well as compared with nematoda and Nematomorpha, both are same characters. Some of the exception, which one? These are never parasite in nature. So that one is parasitic nature. Circulation, excretion, and respiration completely absent. Respiration, these three systems are completely absent. Absent in which class? Nematomorpha. The next one, reproduction. So these are sexual reproduction. Clear? So this is information about the nematomorpha. Third one is rotifera. What is the rotifera? Roti means wheel. Wheel-like structure. Rotiferans are wheel-like structure. So these are most of the individual, nothing but the complete rotiferans are marine forms, not freshwater. Complete, most of the rotiferans are marine forms. Most of the rotiferans are marine forms. So slender-like structure. These are cylindrical-like structure. Some of the individuals are allowing of, some of the not. The most of the individuals, most of the organisms are allows asexual reproduction. Compare with remaining. These are sexual. Whereas the nematoda also sexual. These are known as a asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction. So that is called as a parthogenesis. Really? Example also rotifera. The rotifera class, example also rotifera. The last one is gastrotricha. Tricha. Gastro means digestive tract. Tricha means hair. Okay, trichology means study about the hair is known as a trichology. Gastrotricha. These are microscopic organisms. Which one? Gastrotrichas are microscopic. Means which are cannot able to visible our naked eyes. These are all are visible. They are never visible. Microscopic organisms. The most of the individuals are marine. Nothing but complete organisms are marine forms. These are asexual, non-asexual reproduction. But these are hermaphrodite. What is the meaning of hermaphrodite? Everyone remember this word, hermaphrodite. Remember everyone this word. Hermaphrodite means hemi means half. Hermaphrodite means hemi means half. Means these are shown bisexual in nature. Hermaphrodite nothing but bisexual. These are organisms are bisexual organism. These are containing male gametes and female gametes. So these are shown asexual reproduction. Fertilization is external fertilization. So this is the information about what is the classification of the nematoda. Okay, clear. Next we are discussing about next phylum. Next phylum is, what is that? The next phylum is Annelida. Gastro means complete digestive tract. It is consistent of complete digestive tract. They are completely carnivorous forms. These are completely carnivorous forms.